All right, well, it's that time again. We're going to be going on our next big trip here, and we're going to be visiting Great Britain. Some of the other places we're going to be visiting while we're there is we're going to be visiting Salisbury. Then we're going to make our way to Oxford. Then after Oxford, we're going to head up to Edinburgh and visit all the stuff that's up there to see. Haven't been to Edinburgh, looking forward to it. Pam and I have been to London 3 times. This will be our 3rd time going. Along with this trip, Pami's parents are going to be joining us. So we're looking forward to spending the time with them, and we're looking forward to getting the last little bit of our stuff packed and ready to go and get on the plane and head across the pond and visit London and the UK. And so we're looking forward to this trip, and we'll be bringing you guys along with us and showing you all the sights and everything and all the experiences that we have. We'll keep you updated on everything as we continue on. Thanks. Good morning. We made it to London. We're here. The flight was, well, we had the normal struggles of going from the airport to London, getting the luggage on and off the train, and getting used to the tube system again. But I think we got our feet under us, and we're ready to go. We appreciate all the people taking care of stuff while we're gone. That's a huge help, and so we thank you guys for doing all that for us. We have a lot planned today, and this is just the beginning. Thanks for tuning in, and we will see you guys later. Thanks.